This is the AC Hotel by Marriott in New York City in the Financial District. And it's 30,000 Marriott points a night or 300 to 400 cash a night. I got a really nice upgrade to a larger room with a nice view because I have Gold Status with my American Express Business Platinum Card. I've really enjoyed this hotel. Really, my only complaint would be that I don't think the beds are a Marriott mattress because they're way too soft. So that has been a little bit of a bummer, but it's been fine. There's a mini fridge and a coffee maker with real coffee creamer, which is always nice. And the room is really big for New York standards, and the bathroom is big, and it's got Coors toiletries, which are citrus scented. They smell pretty decent. They're a little bit masculine for me, but they're fine. So overall, I've been really happy with this hotel. I would stay here again despite the mattresses being a little bit too soft.